Today, Bap Dada took Father Brahma on a tour. Both Bap and Dada went on a tour. Where did they go? After Brahma Baba became Avyakt, Baba showed Brahma Baba all the Brahmins in this land and abroad who took an Avyakt birth. How many of these Brahmins would there be? The creation through the Avyakt form is much larger than the creation through the corporeal form. Baba made the creation through the Avyakt form at every place and immersed him in the subtle region. All of you were also included in this. Is that right? Bap Dada gave each one drishti filled with lot of love and also gave a special gift to the Avyakt creation. Those sitting here who have become part of the Brahmin soul's creation, raise your now put your hands down. Acha, those who are creation of the corporeal form, raise your hands. There are very few of you. Bap Dada made each child emerge. There was such a big number that not everybody can sit here, but all of you will fit in subtle region very well. There you can have as much as space as you want. Bap Dada made everyone emerge in the subtle region. That is, Bap Dada invited all of them over there. Everyone was very happy, and Bap Dada was even happier. Bap Dada gave all those jewels a gift. It was a very beautiful, flawless lotus flower of a flawless diamond, which was sparkling very bright. Each petal of the lotus had a different power written on it, and each one was sparkling brightly with a different color. Let that lotus flower of flawless diamond emerge. Look how beautiful it is. Did it emerge? Did you let it emerge? How about the double foreigners? Did you emerge it? How about the teachers? Did you emerge it? How about the Pandavas? Did you emerge it? And how about the sweetest sweet mothers? Did you emerge it? Mothers are the speciality of this worldly university. What is everyone amazed about? that there are so many mothers who became Shaktis. So many mothers have adopted purity and changed into forms of goddesses. You can see that the mothers are in majority. Therefore, Bap Dada gave the Avyakt creation a lot of love. And Baba also emerged a garden in the subtle region, also emerged mountains and also an ocean. Baba took you children everywhere. Baba took you everywhere. Some were playing in the ocean waves. Some were sitting on the mountains, and some were walking in the mountains. So today there was a happy gathering of the Avyakti children. Bap Dada gave all of you this blessing. Constantly continue to live and fly with all the powers.
Om Shanti.
परिवार में आपका स्वागत है। आज
Om
है दिन 9।
Shanti, welcome to
विजयी
you
रतन
all
बनना है
in Avyakti
तो
Parivar,
प्रीत बुद्धि बनो।
having a
आज
loving
का टॉपिक है
intellect in
प्रीत की
order to
रीति
become
निभाने
a
वाले
victorious
अव्यक्त
jewel.
शारिक।
Today's
जो
topic:
बच्चे प्रीत बुद्धिपन
ones who
सदा
fulfill the
प्रीत की रीत
responsibility of
निभाते हैं,
love.
उन्हें
Children who
सारे
have
विश्व
a
की
loving intellect
सर्व
and
सुखों
always
की प्राप्ति
fulfill the
सदा
responsibility
काल
of
के लिए
love
होती
attain
है।
for all time
बाप
all the
दादा
happiness of the
ऐसे
world.
प्रीत
Day
निभाने
and
वाले
night, Bap
बच्चों
Dada
के दिन
sings
रात
praise of
गुणगान
children
करते
who
हैं।
fulfill the
अन्य
responsibility of
सभी को
love,
मुक्ति धाम
sitting
में
everyone
पहुंचाकर
else in the
प्रीत
land
की
of
रीति
liberation.
निभाने वाले
He gives the
बच्चों
fortune
को
of the
विश्व
kingdom
का
of the world
राज्य भाग्य
to those who
प्राप्त
fulfill the
कराते हैं।
responsibility of
अभी हम
love.
मोहिनी दीदी से सुनेंगे।
Now, let's listen from Moini Didi.
ओम शांति।
Om Shanti.
ये सारा मास बुद्धि की प्रीत सिर्फ एक बाप से हो
All this month,
और कहीं भी बुद्धि
it has been
पूछे
the
नहीं,
month of loving intellect.
परंतु बाबा कर्म में ला रहे हैं
Let our intellect not go anywhere
कि
else.
जो कुछ भी आप
Baba
करते हैं
is bringing our
रीत की
intellect
रीत
in such a way
एक
that
होती है
whatever we
रीत की
do,
प्रीत, right?
one kind
तो
of
रीति को हम विधि भी कह सकते हैं
love is something
कि सब
that
कुछ
we
विधि
call it
पूर्वक
as a
करना
ritual. Like we have to do
भोग लगाते हैं
everything with
उसकी तैयारी करो
a perfect,
बर्तन स्वच्छ हो
like for example, when we keep bhog,
तो
it
एक
has to
रीति
be
से विधि पूर्वक
perfect.
सब कुछ
It
करो
has to be according
मुझे याद
to
है कि
a ritual that
ज्ञान से पहले लौकिक
everything has to
परिवार में
be clean. The utensils have to be
सत्यनारायण
clean,
की पूजा
and
होती
then
थी
only we can offer bhog.
परंतु उसके
Didi
लिए
is
बहुत ही
remembering her
तरह की रीत होती है
Laukik days when there
किस
used to
तरह
be
का प्रसाद
Satyanarayan
बनेगा
Puja. That
खजूर
time,
चाहिए
even
केला
for
चाहिए
that
नारियल चाहिए सब कुछ
prasad,
मंगाते थे हर प्रकार
everything we used to order.
तो पहले
There
तो ऐसे लगता है
used to
कि
be in that
ये
list
सब क्या है
milk, banana,
लेकिन बाद में
all
हमें
the
बात की समझ
ingredients.
आती है कि
Before
हर
we
एक
never
चीज का
used to
मतलब होता
know
है
the
तो
significance,
हमें जो कुछ
but
करना
now
है
we know what the
वो
significance
पूरी
is
तरह से
for
करें
each thing. So,
तो रीत
whatever we
निभाने की
do,
जैसे
let
बात है
us do it with perfection. Let us do it according to the
सवेरे उठते हैं
significance.
अमृत वेला
If at
करते
all
हैं
we wake up
फिर
during
हमारा
Amrit
अध्ययन
Vela,
की
let
अगर
us do
प्रीत
it
है ना
perfectly.
तो रीत
If we
निभाने की
have
शक्ति भी आ जाती है
love, then ritual
मैंने
does
देखा
not
हमारी
become a
माताएं हैं
pain, it becomes
बाबा से
easy.
उनकी बहुत प्रीत होती है
Whoever
तो वो
has a
जो
lot
कुछ भी
of
करती हैं
love
वो
for
बहुत बहुत
Baba,
विधि पूर्वक करते हैं
especially Mataye, mothers,
तो
they do
इसलिए क्या
everything
करना है
with lot of love
उसकी
and they
प्राप्ति
do
क्या
it
है जो
with
बच्चे
perfection. So today
प्रीत
what
बुद्धिमान
Baba is
सदा
talking
प्रीत
is
की
about
रीत निभाते हैं
whoever children who have a
उन्हें सारे
loving
विश्व के
intellect, they
सब सुखों
always
की प्राप्ति
fulfill the
सदा
responsibility
करनी होती है
of love,
क्योंकि जो कुछ भी
and
भगवान के लिए कर रहे
that
हैं
gives them the
परमात्मा के लिए कर रहे हैं
happiness
अभी बाबा कहेंगे
of the whole world.
उस
Whatever
सब का
you
रिटर्न
do,
तो
be
मिलता
it
है ना
for Baba
आपने विधि
or
पूर्वक
for
किया तो आपको
yourself,
भी
but when you do it
बाबा कहता है सर्व
right,
सुख
when you
प्राप्त
do it
होंगे
with
बाप
perfection,
दादा
that time the
ऐसे ही
benefit
प्रीत
is
निभाने
also
वाले बच्चों
high.
के दिन रात
So,
गुणगान करते
Bap
हैं
Dada sings praise of the children who fulfill the
जैसे जन्माष्टमी आती है
responsibility of love.
वैसे तो
For
बच्चे नाच का
example,
त्योहार है
when
और हमें पता है ये तो
Janmashtami
ब्रह्मा की
comes,
यात्रा है
Krishna's Janmashtami,
तो हम
it
लोगों
may
ने
be a
बचपन
festival
में सीखा
of bhakti,
कि
but
रक्षाबंधन पर
everybody
राखी
celebrates
बांधती
it.
है तो बाबा के लिए खर्ची तो मिलती है ना
Initially, we
तो वो
got
फिर
to
दीदी मेरे को
learn
कहती
that
थी वो
during
फिर
Raksha
उसके जो
Bandhan,
जन्मदिन आने वाला
once
था
we tie the Rakhi,
उसके लिए
there
भेजे
is something in
तो हम लोग
return
शुरू से
that
लेके
is called
कई
Kharchi.
बातें
But
सीखी
then
जो आजकल
Didi
हम
taught
भक्ति
us
करके
that
छोड़
it
देते
is
हैं
for the
परंतु भावना
Yajna.
है इसमें
But there is
प्रेम
so
है
much
इसमें
bhavna in
राइट
it.
तो बाबा भी क्या
There
कहते
is
हैं
so much
ऐसे
love
प्रीत
in it.
निभाने वाले
So,
बच्चों
what
के
does Baba say?
दिन रात
Baba
गुणगान
says
करते हैं
that Baba
और यह
sings
सभी
praise
को
of children
मुक्ति
who
धाम में
fulfill the
बिठाकर
responsibility of
प्रीत
love.
की रीत निभाने वालों को
How,
विश्व का
seating
राज्य
everyone
भाग्य प्राप्त कराते हैं
else in the land of
इसलिए बहुत बड़ा
liberation,
ये तो
he gives
प्राप्ति
the
बहुत बड़ी है
fortune of kingdom of the
तो
world
क्या होता है कि
to
थोड़ा
those who fulfill this
समय पर ध्यान दे
responsibility
करके
of love. One
जो
is
भी दिवस आता
fulfilling
है
responsibility for the
18
sake of
जनवरी आता है
fulfilling it.
फिर
Another
शिव
one
जयंती
is
आती है
fulfilling
फिर
it
होली
with
आती है
love.
फिर राखी
Even
आती है
our
जन्माष्टमी आती
festivals,
है
they are all in
फिर
order.
दशहरा आएगा नवरात्र
First
आएंगे
comes
दिवाली
Shivratri,
आती
then
है
Holi, then Raksha
ये
Bandhan,
भी एक रौनक भी
then
है ना
Janmashtami, then Dashera, then
गणपति लाइन
Diwali.
के लिए इधर
See,
जाते हैं उधर जाते हैं
everything comes
बाबा तो इधर
accordingly
नहीं
in
अपने
order.
सभी बच्चों के
Similarly, we
साथ
also have to
हर
do
त्योहार
everything
मनाते हैं
with order. And
तो वो
Baba
त्योहार मनाना भी एक
celebrates
तरह से रौनक
each
ही
and
है
every festival
तो
with all
इसलिए बाबा
children.
कह रहे हैं कि प्रीत
So
की रीत
Baba is
निभाओ
saying that fulfill
सिर्फ
everything
हमको ये नहीं है
with
कि
responsibility, but
रीत
with
निभा
lot
ली
of love.
तो प्रीत
Fulfill
है
the responsibility with lot of
प्रीत की
love.
रीत
not for the
जय
sake
से
of
पुराना मैं
fulfilling
चिंतन
it.
करके
Go
सदा
into the
तक आपसे
depth,
साय तक
and from morning
जो
to
भी नीति
evening,
कहानियाँ
whatever responsibility
बाबा
we
को
have to
भोग लगाते
fulfill,
हैं,
let us do it with lot of love. If at all we have the habit
रोज
of
भोग भी
offering
बनता है।
bhog,
कईयों को
that
थोड़ा
time
मुश्किल होता है
when preparing
क्योंकि
the
सभी घर
food, do it
परिवार
with
में नहीं
lot
होते।
of love. There are a lot of
तो
people
जो कुछ
who
अपने लिए बनाते हैं
have problems because not the whole
फरारी साथ
family
में
is
रख
in
करके
Gyan.
बाबा
So
को प्रेम
there
से
are
भोग
some
लगाओ।
who have to cook
तो
separately
कम
and
से कम
then
दिन में
offer
एक बार
bhog to
तो भोजन
Baba.
बनता ही है,
So
तो बाबा
whatever
को
you
भोग लगाना
do, do
चाहिए।
it with lot of love
ओम
and
शांति।
fulfill that responsibility with lot of love. Om Shanti.
अव्यक्त मुरली रिवीजन
Avyakt Murli's
1969 से
revision from
ज्ञान के
1969
रतन
onwards.
और स्नेह के
Jewels
मोती
of knowledge, pearls of love.
अव्यक्त वाणी तारीख है
Avyakt
23
Murli,
जनवरी
date is
1976।
January
अब
23rd,
शक्ति सहरा
1974.
नाम को सार्थक
Now
बनाओ,
make the name of Shakti
अल्पकाल
Army
के लिए
powerful.
नहीं सदा
Do not
काल के
become
लिए
this
हो
for
जाओ।
a temporary period,
ऐसा
but
इशारा
for all
मिले
time.
तो आप
Will you
क्या
become
दही
soul
अभिमानी
conscious
हो
when you
जावेंगे,
receive such a
या फिर
signal?
उस समय साथी
Or will
ढूंढेंगे।
you search for facilities
पॉइंट्स
at that
छोड़े
time? Will you
या
think of
अपने को
points then?
ठहराने की
Or will you
कोशिश
try to
करेंगे।
stop yourself? Therefore,
इसलिए अब
make
से
such an effort
ऐसा
from now
पुरुषार्थ
on.
करो।
The military receives
मिलिट्री को तो
orders
अचानक ही
suddenly.
ऑर्डर मिलते हैं ना।
Make a program for yourself and bring about progress for yourself by yourself.
अपने आप प्रोग्राम बनाओ और स्वयं ही
Do
स्वयं
not
की
take the support
उन्नति करो।
of thinking
प्रोग्राम
that
बनेगा
you will do
तो कर
something
लेंगे,
if a program is
यह
made
भी
for it.
आधार मत
If
रखो।
a bhatti is created,
भट्टी बनेगी
we will
तो
have
3 दिन
a good 3
अच्छे दिन।
days. We will
इसमें
receive the
तो
cooperation
संख्या
of
का
gathering
सहयोग
in
मिलता
this.
है,
However,
लेकिन यह
do not
आधार
take
भी नहीं।
even this support.
कभी सहयोग मिल
Sometimes
सकता है
you may receive
और कभी
cooperation
नहीं भी
and
मिल सकता
sometimes
है।
you may not, but your
अभ्यास
practice
निराधार
should
का
be
होना
remain
चाहिए।
completely
अगर चांस मिल
independent.
जाता है तो अच्छा ही है।
It is good if you receive a chance, but
न
even
मिलने
if
पर
you
भी
do not
अभ्यास
receive
से
a chance,
हटना नहीं
you should
चाहिए।
not move away from
प्रोग्राम
your
के आधार
practice.
पर
It is a
अपनी
weakness
उन्नति
to
का
make the basis
आधार
of a
बनाना,
program the means
यह
of your
भी
progress.
कमजोरी है।
You have been given an
यह तो
external
अनादि
program.
प्रोग्राम मिला
Why do you
हुआ है
not
ना,
remember that?
वह क्यों नहीं
You
याद
have to
रखते
stay
हो।
in a bhatti
हर
at
वक्त भट्टी
every
में रहना
moment.
है,
Acha.
यह तो अनादि प्रोग्राम मिला हुआ है ना।
To the
अच्छा,
souls
जैसा
who
अपना
perform
नाम
a
वैसा
task
काम
according
करने
to
वाले
their name,
बाप का
to
नाम
those
वाला
who
करने
glorify
वाले,
the Father's
1
name,
सेकंड में
to
ऑर्डर मिलने
those
पर
who remain
तैयार हो
ready
जाने
in 1
वाले
second
और
on
निराधार
receiving an
होकर
order, to
पुरुषार्थ
those
करने वाले
who make effort whilst being
रूहानी
independent
सेनानियों
of
को
everything
बाप
else,
दादा का
to the
याद प्यार
members
और
of the
नमस्ते।
spiritual army, Bap
ओम
Dada's
शांति।
love, remembrances, and namaste. Om Shanti.